Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Ellen Reed. I am creator of Storytelling with Ellen, and today is Thanksgiving, so I thought I'd share a story with you guys. So happy Thanksgiving, and this is the story of Pete the Cat, the First Thanksgiving. How about that? Have you read this before? If you have, put it in the comments below. Let's get started. Pete was nervous about being a pilgrim in the class's Thanksgiving Day play, the first Thanksgiving. Just do your best, his best friend Callie had said. Pete said he would try. He was ready. His mom had even made him a pilgrim hat, which was really cool. Pete took his place at the front of the giant ship that his class had made out of cardboard. Pete was a pilgrim on the Mayflower. In 1620, a group of pilgrims decided to leave England for the New World to build a new life. It was a long trip and a big ship. All the pilgrims had sang. The sea was rough and very dangerous. Many pilgrims got very sick. The dream of a new start in a new world made the hard trip all worth it. For more than 2 months, the pilgrims had sailed. They wondered if they were ever going to get there. After 65 days on the ship, the new world finally came into view. Land ho! Pete cried. All the pilgrims did a happy dance. The pilgrims arrived at the New World in Plymouth Rock, what is now Massachusetts. Everyone had many chores to do, like growing food and finding water, and building shelters. The first winter in the New World was long and hard. In the spring, the pilgrims had to decide whether to give up or to go back to England or keep trying. The pilgrims had heard about the Native Americans, and many worried that they would not be friendly. Pete had never met a cat he didn't like, so he thought they would be kind. Pete was right. He made a new friend in Squanto. Squanto and the other Native Americans showed the pilgrims how to grow crops like corn, beans, and squash. By summer, the pilgrims had learned how to farm in the new land. By fall harvest, the pilgrims had plenty of food. To thank Squanto and the others, a other Native Americans. The Pilgrims invited them to share their harvest. The celebration became known as the first Thanksgiving. Pete was relieved when the play was over. He had remembered all of his lines. Wow, I never thought about how hard it was back then, Pete said. You did great, Callie said. Later at Thanksgiving dinner with his family, Pete said, "Let's all go around the table and say something we are thankful for." I am thankful for my family, Pete says Pete's mom. I'm thankful for my skateboard, said Bob. I am thankful for the brave pilgrims that started the new free world, said Pete. What are you thankful for? What are you thankful for? I'm thankful for everyone that is enjoying all of my story times. I love it. You guys are amazing. That's what I'm thankful for. So what are you thankful for? And happy Thanksgiving. Bye, everybody.